after ma-reset ang router, so mag-configure naman tayo sa ating router. So, iset sa obtain ang network interface card ng client PC. So, si client PC ang gagamitin natin pag-configure sa ating router. So, right-click network, open network sharing center, click local area connection, click properties, and then select Internet Protocol version 4, and then click properties. So, dito, dapat naka-obtain ang network interface card ng client PC para mabigyan siya ng IP address ng DHCP server ng ating router. So, click OK. Click close. So, iti-check natin kung nabigyan na ba ng IP address ang client PC ng DHCP server ng router. So, click details. So, dito, ito yung IP address na inassign sa atin ng DHCP server ng router na device. And then, itong IPv4 DHCP server naman, ito yung IP address ng ating router. So, ito yung default IP address ng router. And then, click close. Click close. So, pag mayroon na tayong IP address na ibinigay sa atin ng DHCP server, pwede na natin i-configure ang router. So, gagamit tayo ng Google Chrome para ma-configure ang router. So, double-click Google Chrome. And then, dito sa part na to, so itatype dito ang IP address or ang default IP address ng ating router. So, 192.168.1.1. So, ito yung default IP address ng ating router. So, pag i-reset ang router, yan yung maging default IP address ng router. Click enter. And then, username and password is admin. And then, hit enter. So, ito ang control panel ng router. So, click advance. Click LAN. So, dito, itong part na to, itong tab na to, ito yung pag-change ng IP address ng router. So, ito yung default IP address ng router. So, papalitan natin ng ibang IP address. So, gagamit tayo ng Class B IP address, so 150.150.1.1. So ito yung magiging IP address, bagong IP address ng ating router. So Class B na IP address, so 255.255.0.0 ang kanyang subnet mask. And then click apply. And then click OK. So, aantayin lang natin matapos mag-save ang ating configuration. So ngayon maglalagin ulit tayo sa ating router kasi i-change pa natin ang SSID ng ating router. So, admin, username and password. Sorry. So, gagamitin natin ang bagong IP address para ma-access natin uli ang ating router. So, maglalagin ulit tayo. So, gamit ang username and password. So, admin. So, ngayon naman babaguhin na natin ang SSID ng ating router. So, click advance. Click wireless. So, dito yung pag-change ng SSID. So, yung SSID is family name dash router para ma-identify natin na sa iyo yung network, and then router na network ang kung saan tayo magko-connect. So ito yung SSID natin. So kung maglalagay naman tayo ng password sa ating network, sa router, so dito sa authentication method, so pag naka-open system siya, ibig sabihin wala siyang password. So kung maglalagay ka ng password, so recommended is WPE2 personal. And then itatype lang dito yung IP address. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. So pag walang password, again, naka-open system lang siya. And then apply para mag-save yung ating configuration. So pagkatapos natin ma-configure ang ating router, so mag-a-assign naman tayo ng IP address sa ating client PC. So right-click, Network, click Open Network and Sharing Center, click Local Area Connection, click Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, and then select Use the following IP address. So mag-a-assign tayo ng IP address kasi ang COC2 is static IP addressing. So ibig sabihin manual tayong maglalagay ng IP address. So type yung IP address ng ating client PC, so 150.150.1.3. And then yung default gateway, automatic yan IP address ng router. So kung anong naka-assign na IP address sa router, yan yung default gateway. So 150.150.1.1. Then click OK. So, after mag-assign ng IP address, so pupunta sa advanced, change advanced sharing. So, to turn on yung network, turn on file and printer sharing. And then turn on sharing, so anyone with network access can read and write files in public folders. So, isi-set lang sa off ang password protecting sharing. So, dapat dito naka-turn off. And then, save. So, pagkatapos natin configure nating client PC, kukonfigure naman natin ang ating wireless access point at saka server PC. So, ngayon naman, i-configure naman natin ang ating wireless access point. So, bago mag-configure, iset sa obtain ang IP address ng ating server PC. So, right-click, Open Network and Sharing Center, click Local Area Connection, click Properties, then select IP Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, then select Obtain IP address automatically. So, obtain DNS server address automatically. And click OK. Click Close. So, after natin ma-obtain, i-check natin kung nabigyan tayo ng IP address ng ating server PC ng ating wireless access point. So click Details. And then, ito yung IP address. So, 192.168.0.100, ito yung IP address na inassign sa atin ng DHCP server ng wireless access point. Itong IP version 4 DHCP server, ito yung IP address ng ating wireless access point, or ito yung default IP address ng wireless access point. So, pag meron na tayong IP address na ibinigay sa atin ng wireless access point, pwede na natin ma-configure or ma-access si wireless access point. So, gagamit tayo ng browser sa pag-configure ng ating wireless access point. So, gagamitin natin si Internet Explorer. Click OK. Or ask me later. So, dito itatype ang default IP address ng wireless access point. So, 192.168.0.254. And hit enter. And then click add. Click add again. And then click close. So, username and password is admin. Hit enter. And then click next. Leave it as default. Click next. So yung i-configure natin is access point. So default lang. Click next. So dito ang pag-change ng SSID ng wireless access point. So gamitin yung family name Rosco-WAP para ma-identify natin na sa'yo yung network at yung device is WAP. And then, yung paglagay ng IP at ng password sa ating WAP. So, dito sa wireless security mode. So, pag maglalagay ng password, so recommended is WPA personal, WPA-PS key. Yung recommended pag maglalagay ng password. So, dito lang ita-type ang password. Then, click next. So, dito yung pag-assign ng IP address sa ating wireless access point. So, change to static. And then, type ang IP address ng wireless access point. So, 150.150.1.2. So ito na yung bagong IP address ng wireless access point. So class B na subnet mask. So dito pwede na siya, ang DHCP server pwede na siya disable. And then click next. Yung summary ng configuration, click finish. So, antayin lang natin uli matapos ang ma-save ang ating configuration. So, after ma-save ang configuration ng ating wireless access point, so, click add again, add, and then close. And then, i-close na natin. Tapos na natin i-configure ang wireless access point, so, pwede na siya i-close ang browser. And then, mag-a-assign naman tayo ngayon ng IP address ng ating server PC. So, right-click, open network and sharing center, local area connection, click properties, click Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties, and then use the following IP address. So, i-type natin ang IP address ng ating server PC. So, 150.150.1.4. And then click subnet mask. And then type yung IP address ng router. So yung default gateway is IP address ng router. Then click OK. Click close. And then click close. So after mag-assign ng IP address, click change advanced sharing settings. So turn on network discovery. So dapat naka-turn on din yung file and printer sharing. Turn on sharing, so anyone with network access can read and write files in the public folders. And then turn off password protecting sharing. Then save. Then close. So after maka-configure ang router, ang WAP wireless access point, client, and server, ibabalikan natin ang connection naman ngayon sa ating switch.